Hello everyone, what is up? I am Walt. Here we are with video number 20 in our life hack series, 101 ways to feel happy on a daily basis. So what are we talking about today? What is going on kind of stiff? Well, let's see, we got a few things really to cover about this one, but this one is to do a good deed. This is basically the same principle as last time, so if you watched my last video, you basically know what's going on. When you are doing good, when you're doing something you feel like this is good, I am doing the right thing, it really strengthens your neural pathways around those kind of concepts. It also is going to make your subconscious mind want to do more good for you and to bring more good things into your life. So your subconscious mind is so much more powerful than the conscious mind, which I also have a video on, of course, so I can give you a link to that one. And when you kind of look at it this way, basically the mind here is something that is going to self-reinforce. So if you are going to feel bad all the time, it's going to reinforce how bad you feel. If you feel good all the time, it's going to reinforce how good you feel. So when you do a good deed, you often feel good about yourself. This is why it's fun to give presents and to give to others and to be philanthropic and all that kind of stuff. So when you give, then you feel good, and this will strengthen the good that your mind will do for you and give to you in the form of great ideas and things like that. And this is basically how the law of attraction works. So doing a good deed is something that will lead you to be happy, and also it just feels happy, so it leads you to happiness in the short run and happiness in the long run, and it helps everybody else. So what's not to love about doing a good deed? So do some good deeds. I'm Walt. I'll see you guys next time with our next video. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.